Welcome to Rafa's Adventure! So, before we start our video, please like and subscribe. So, my dad just went from America and he bought me these two Godzilla X Kong toys. So, first we're gonna show the Titan Evolve Godzilla. Wait, this is what he looks like at first. But when I do this, it opens up, guys, into a new Godzilla form. It looks like King Ghidorah but two-headed. If we just put the other one on the top. So we also have the season 1 surprise monster Godzilla X Kong. So how about I open this first? Okay, so let's open it. We could get Godzilla, King Kong, Shimu, and Scar King, guys. That's cool. Wait. Huh? How do you open this? I think you're supposed to peel this off. Yeah, I think you're supposed. Yeah, it's hard to peel. Yeah, you're supposed to peel it off. So, there we go. Ooh, it's like a crystallish stone inside, guys. No way, guys. I got Shimu! Guys, I got Shimu! Whoa! Guys, Shimu compared to Godzilla is pretty small, but I like how Shimu had the designs. Wait, let me check this out. What are these? Oh, they look like rocks. Let's see if Shimu still fits. Wait. Let's put her head in, then her whole body in. He doesn't fit that much anymore. But since we got Shimu, Dad, can you get my other Shimu toy? Wait, guys, I have another Shimu toy here that I'm not gonna open yet. It's gonna be upcoming, guys. This is the upcoming Godzilla X Kong toy that I'm gonna open, guys. But stay tuned, guys. Later I'm gonna open up this. But here's the back if you wanna see. Okay, since we got Shimu, guys, this one is very cool. So I'll give it a 9 out of 10. 9 out of 10. Shimu. Wait, let's compare it to the other Shimu. This one's even smaller than the other Shimu.
I have surprise. One more surprise for you.
What?
Close your eyes. Here, open it.
It's a die-cast Godzilla, guys. My dad. It's like a minifigs, guys. Look. Here it is. So we're gonna open it, guys. This is metal figs. I'll show you the back. Oh my, this is so much. Thanks, Pa!
Welcome, I love you.
Can you open it, please? Oh, this is also, you can also put it on your bag.
Yeah, it's a bag tag.
Rawr. Wow, 2 Godzilla want to fight now. Wow, 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 wow. I don't know which one I like better, the bigger one or the smaller one. I don't know. The mouth are not the same though. Although their legs are the same. I still like the smaller version. Which one do you like?
Did you know that it's in Target? It's just in Target. I tried Walmart. I tried the other toy store in Las Vegas. But here.
Ooh. How many? So there's so many Godzilla toys there. Here it is, guys. Godzilla. Wait, I need to be really careful. This is made of metal. Oh, I could do this.
It's a collector's item.
Wait. Oh, wait. There we go. Ooh, Godzilla looks cool. I like Godzilla, but this is a good stand. Ooh, you can, I think, move the arms. The head you can't, but I like Godzilla, guys. Here's Godzilla. Wait, let's see which one is gonna win. Of course, Godzilla's gonna win.
You like it?
Yes, but I like it,
For
but
your back?
yes, but they forgot to add the Tagomizer in the tail, guys. They forgot to add the Tagomizer. They forgot to add the Tagomizer, but they did add the spikes here on the side. They did add that. So I'll give this like a 10 out of 10, while this is a 9 out of 10. This one is just not movable. That's the only thing. But I like how they came out of this gym. I'll keep the gym. I'll keep this. Okay, guys, you have to wait until later because I'm gonna post another video of me opening this, guys. So bye, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I need to clean this up. Bye.